In this video tutorial, discover simple and effective ways to make Bluestacks 5 run faster on your low-end PC. Whether you are experiencing lag or slow performance, these easy-to-follow tips will help you optimize Bluestacks for smoother gameplay and app usage. From adjusting settings to minimizing resource usage, we will guide you through each steps to ensure a faster and more responsive Bluestacks experience. Don't let your low-end PC hold you back. Watch this video and unlock the full potential of Bluestacks 5 with these straightforward optimization techniques. Step 1. Lower graphics settings. In Bluestacks settings, reduce graphics settings to improve performance on low-end PCs. Step 2. Allocate more resources. Increase RAM allocation in Bluestacks settings to ensure smoother operation. Step 3. Close unnecessary apps. Close background applications on your PC to free up resources for Bluestacks. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date for optimal performance. Step 5. Adjust CPU and RAM priority. In Task Manager, set Bluestacks to higher CPU and RAM priority for better performance. Step 6. Use Performance Mode. Enable Performance Mode in Bluestacks settings to prioritize speed over visual effects. Step 7. Disable Antivirus. Temporarily disable antivirus software as it may impact Bluestacks performance. Step 8. Clear App Cache. Periodically clear app caches within Bluestacks to free up storage space. Step 9. Install lightweight apps. Use lighter versions of apps to reduce resource usage in Bluestacks. Step 10. Close unneeded tabs. Using Bluestacks with a browser, close unnecessary tabs to conserve resources.